Ela falou que tem camisa?
Y'all want to hit a Suzuka? Those are big, bro. You ever had steak?
250th celebration. Wow.
Sundays is like
Wild.
it's right here because we're right here. We're right here.
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Got some MJ going right there. Let's rock and roll, let's go. Let's get moving, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, Jenkinson's, wow. Point Pleasant Boardwalk. Good times, June 7th, 2026. Super awesome today. The weather is nice. Just a great day to be down here. We had a little bit of rain, little sprinkles. Not too bad. It didn't rain on our parade. So that's a great thing. Walking season is back. Feels good to be walking. Wow. You know, we walk all year round, but I'm talking outdoors. Outside walking. The good weather. The shorts on, the tank top. Little big guy out in the breeze here. Little big guy, our camera. Out here in the breeze. Living it up. Living the dream. Point Pleasant. Feels so good down here. You can see the amusement park over here. They got the amusement park cranking. The boardwalk bounce. I don't see the roller coaster open yet, but that's probably going to open pretty soon. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go this way. So, unlike Seaside, there isn't a whole lot to see. There is some to see on the sidewalk here. Seaside is more, Seaside and some other boardwalk spots, but Seaside is more of a walk around on the sidewalk a little more kind of place. And Point Pleasant does have like a little downtown area. That would be pretty cool to stroll sometime soon. All right. Let's go. Okay, we gotta wait for the light. All right, let's go. Okay, I gotta cross the road over here. Got the playables over here. All right, good old Point Pleasant. Everybody feeling the vibe today. Ooh, the weather is so nice. Let's do a weather check real quick. Let me see. Let's see. What's the weather like? It feels like it's getting warmer. Okay, it's 78 from what it says here. The sunlight makes it feel a little warmer right here. Not by the water, that's what it is too. Not right next to the water, maybe that could be why it's a little bit cooler, warmer over here, I mean. So yeah, this is Point Pleasant. Good times at Point Pleasant. All right, a lot of videos going up. I think it was, I don't know, what time did I get here? It's about 4 hours. And we did a live stream. So check out the videos on both channels, POV and BRYAN. So that is Pibry, which is Pibry. You know, if you're on the channel, you know. I spell it out for the captions. So we got Pibry POV and Brian Pibry. So I distribute videos on both. I kind of just feel it out, what feels better on each one. And Brian is new. The Brian channel is new. Started that actually April 18th of this year, 2026. And literally, I think just started rolling with the videos about a month ago. It was, I guess, in May. Yeah, so anyway, that's the same. You know, I'm a walking creator guy, so it's similar, but we want to, you know, a little bit of a different vibe on each. But I feel like if I got 4 hours of content, let's say from here, you know, it feels good to put it on, distribute it out there a little bit more, you know. So yeah, a lot of walking channels do that, and it's good. But anyway, it's part of the Pibry ecosystem. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and God bless you. And also, yeah, look out for more videos. So more Jersey Shore coming. I have to get myself a new hard drive because this takes up so much space on the hard drive. So I'm working on in the back end of things to get some things in order. So yeah, but that's the number one main thing at the moment.
Yeah, when he said like the first.
And we shoot the HLG HDR. That's how that's what we're doing with the videos. LBG, little big guy, our Pocket 3 camera. Maybe I'll get him a teammate sometime soon. So we got a couple. I'm not sure what camera to get. We'll see. But you know, maybe another little big guy, twin. We'll see. But the Pocket 4 is out. I'm waiting to see if HDR is on that one. HLG. I don't know. It's not on there yet. Maybe they'll add it. There's another camera, the Insta 360 Luma or whatnot, something like that. Anyway, behind the scenes. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Check out the videos. Whew. June 7th, 2026 in the His House. Point Pleasant, New Jersey. Good times. All right, 7:11 p.m. All right. Peace out. See you all in the next one.